Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it's Monday and it's like the second to last Monday of this year 2020. Can you believe it? Where has the time gone? Yes, so we have one more Monday in this 2020 year. And like I've been telling you and encouraging you, let these few days count. Let these few days count. So yes, to top off Monday Meds, the last Monday, so next Monday we are going to do a recap. We're going to be talking about how, what's my favorite video, what's your favorite video, what's the most watched video on Monday Meds. Mind you, there are two channels that Monday Meds went through this past year. So Monday Meds was on my personal channel, Tanisha Lawrence, as you know. I'm your health educator, and yes, and Monday Meds is on its current channel, its own channel, like we had promised so many months ago. So yes, so we will have to review those videos, and we'll definitely see the statistics. And yes, thank you so much for all your likes, your comments, your feedback. Thank you so much also for subscribing. Welcome to all our new subscribers. The last time I checked, we were at 75. For those of you who have been watching me on Monday Meds, you've always seen the yam field right behind me. Yes, you remember it? So yes, we're talking about yellow yam today. We're talking about roast yam. I'm sorry I don't have it to show you in my hand, but yes, it was wonderful when I had it. So we're going to be talking about yellow yam. It's festive. It's roasted yellow yam, especially for our tourists and people who go through Faith Bend. You know that it's something that you always can look out for. Roast yam with butter, or I tried it with coconut oil and it was great. And so yes, we're going to be talking about roast yam, yellow yam. It is the Hispanics, they call it, you guys call it name. Yes, so it's wonderful. It's a great staple in Jamaica, and yes, it does have a lot of vitamins and nutrients, as you know, and minerals, vitamins and minerals, great nutrients. As you know, it's a tuber, so it grows under the ground and it comes out. So anything that comes from the ground has basically everything that the dirt has. So yes, you talk about phosphorus, iron, magnesium, manganese, and so many other minerals that I'm not remembering right now. But yes, most of all, it does have iron. Yes, our bodies are made up of iron, and it comes from the dirt, just like how we came from the dirt. So yes, so enjoy some roast yam in promise. Yeah, this is some of the yams that we got from that field that we're always looking at. Yeah, thanks to the farmer. Yep, thanks to him, we got some yellow yam. Definitely gonna be cooking some tonight. And I definitely want to roast a piece of this. My mouth is watering for a piece of roast yam right now. Roast yam, can't wait. Roast yellow yam. I gotta be specific. Roast yellow yam. Roasted yellow yam. And that's country living. Started peeling the roast yam here. And yeah, look at it, how rich it is. Yeah, so that's how it looks. And this is how it looks on the inside. Can't wait to dig my teeth in it. So this is the roast yam. Roast yam from that yam field down there. Yes, I'm so privileged and blessed to be to have gotten it and to have roasted it. And yes, it's straight from that yam field down there, and it is so good. Yes, right here it has a little salt, and it does have some coconut oil on it. Yes, I'm using it instead of butter. Yes, this is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence, and it's one of the joys of country living. Keep watching. I hope you enjoyed the roast yam and you enjoyed all of that good stuff. And yes, as we wrap up today, as we wrap up Monday Medz today, I just want to remind us, yes, just as God went down into, he came down and he said, let us make man in our image. Yes, he said, come from the dust. He made us in his image. In Genesis 1 verse 26, remember that God made you in his image and you are blessed. I pray you'll have a wonderful holiday season. Be safe. Yes, don't eat too much. And if you drink, don't drink too much. Don't drink and drive. If you drink alcohol, don't drink and drive. I pray you'll have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining us. And yes, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link below or the button for new videos and more on your Monday Medz.